This is what the inside looks like, which we don't have to worry about because you're really not going to see this. Why I have the ring here, it's just when I was going in and out of the refrigerator, you can get this completely smooth. You just have to watch the chocolate more and just kind of, you know, before it gets completely hardened, you have to just keep rotating, you know, rolling it like this. We'll go ahead and set this aside over there for now. We'll cover that later. And here is our grill. Notice we've got a little bit of kind of sliding going up and down there. That's what I was talking about. Once it's set, sometimes it'll do that, but no big deal. You won't even notice it. Now, unreleasing it, what I want to do is this first. So these are our handles. Go to the edge of your counter and just gently. What I'm doing is actually, I'm working the paper more than the chocolate, okay, to unrelease them. If I were to just try to take it, the chocolate, pop it off, I'd be more likely to break it. Now on this one, a big piece like this, what I'll actually do is maybe start this side and then turn it and come back over here, like that, so on and so forth. Okay, let's see if this is ready to come off now. Kind of, ooh, I don't even want to do that, I don't think. Gently, 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 yay! And what I'm going to do is flip this over, bring my other pieces back over. And what I like to do is actually go ahead, it does two things. I'm going to put another layer of chocolate on this side. It's going to strengthen it, and it's also going to make the chocolate look more round. I mean, you don't want to actually stick this in and see one flat side on one side and one rounded side. No, you don't want to do that. Trust me. So, take the chocolate, squeeze. And you want to try not to have it go over the edges, but if it does, not the end of the world. And then we'll go ahead and let this set up. Start covering our cakes while we're waiting, and then we are actually going to cover this grill with some petal dust and luster dust in a silver. See how it's going over here? Don't worry, we can actually go ahead and take some of that off. Have a paper towel handy. I'll just continue this, and then we'll, like I said, set it aside, and I'll get my cakes out and cover those.